So hey guys, it's your girl Ree, and this is literally how I'm starting the video. Like, this is my intro. So your girl, yesterday I was at work and I was just like, I was supposed to get my nails done on Tuesday, which is today, and I had work yesterday on Monday. So I was just like, honestly, I'm just gonna get a new set. I'm not feeling the style. I want to change my color. It's only been like a week with these nails, and I usually don't get tired of it that quick if I do like a plain color. So ignore my heater in the background, it's probably mad loud. But right now, according to my cellular device, it is 9:42. I made an appointment for 10 with the guy that does my nails. They open at 10 and I wanted to come really early because doing my nails wherever I go, it always takes like 3-4 hours because of the length, or like 2-3 hours because of the length, and then like getting a new set. So I'm about to leave right now. I have to go to the bank, go get the money out real quick. Last time I only paid, I think, $43 or $53 for my nails, which is really good for them because they were taxing before I left them. So this seemed like a more normal price, and it's much cheaper than what I was paying my other nail tech to ruin my nails. So yeah, I'm about to make this like a vlog style, I guess. I'm gonna have a picture of what I want them to do somewhere over here. I haven't picked it out yet, but I'm just gonna edit it in the video when I decide that's what I want to choose at the nail salon. I'm a Libra, so making decisions is never gonna be solved. So I'm about to go put on my pants and go get ready, drive to the nail, go to the bank real quick, drive to the nail salon, and I'll show you guys like the process of him doing my nails. I've been here before, so it's nothing new, but they are rated a 2.9 out of 5. But I go to a specific person. I'm pretty sure the rest of the salon comes up with a 2.9 on themselves because this guy is much more advanced than what they're doing over there. So I'm about to go to TD Bank, to the nail salon, and I'll see you guys at the nail salon.
一手算是多少钱啊？一手。怎么个打法呗？全码的那个。一个挨一个的。啊。你手指干老长了。查了2个。俩好。当然是一个，没有2个的。拿呀。
Okay, give me 10 seconds. I'll be back, okay? Okay. Everybody knew had the style. You just told me what kind of shape, and then I show you one. Which one, okay?
李志黎的颜值太强了。 有点像60几岁。
对，很长啊，我都有一点难度，睡人间做的。
你把他那个人，他有证据跟你说。
睡人间做个长时间，长的最长。
It's not focusing.
The long nail, sometimes the short nail will always you just come in and then a lot of different counting, you know.
Yeah.
Because how much acrylic and how much big,
Yeah.
everything changed in my mind.
Yeah.
You just come, you know. You understand, right?
Yeah.
You usually do that short, that ring.
Yeah, I know. I know this.
And
Yeah.
customer, oh, same. You know what I mean, right?
Yeah. No one does long nails at all.
Not
Here?
that long. Maybe a year. Sometimes she 1 time, 2 times. Only you.
Wow.
Yeah, only you.
Yeah, but you do it really nice.
Yeah, but I gotta. You just come. I gotta turn my mind.
Yeah, that's why I made an appointment so you know I was coming.
Yeah. I gotta turn my mind again. Because you gotta put chip ball powder, chip ball more.
Yeah.
You know, not only.
Focus.
Sometimes they don't try good the white color, get the wrinkle. They don't try good the white color.
5个老板娘，这个他妈的，这个你做完了？
我现在是弄这个了。I go get the foil. Okay, kind of $15 more. Okay. The foil.
是吧？太高了啊！
那个 foil 在哪里？
行不行后边？
So guys, I just got back from the nail salon. I have mixed feelings I'm going to speak about because I stopped recording after I think he did like the white part. I'm going to show you guys what my nails look like right now though. So obviously I'm not going to be one of those people that are going to go to the nail salon and expect them to do like what the Instagram nail techs do, but I don't know, it looked a lot better. I showed the shape before he put, before he started painting, I showed the shape was really nice, but he kept filing and filing and filing and kept adding. He added 4 layers of top coat with 3 layers of the pink and 2 layers of the white. So I feel like the thicker it got, the shorter the nail started looking, so it ended up like this. I'm not mad about this at all because I don't know how the camera, I don't know. The camera may not be picking it up all the way, but I could wear this for like 2 weeks and it, my hands look so dark. I could wear this for like 2 weeks and not be like fazed by it or be trying to hide my nails or whatever. It's pretty good. It's like a salon type. It's like the next level of the salon, but you're still in the salon. You get it? So yeah, I stopped filming after he did the white part because he was getting on my nerves about the gold flakes. I was telling him to at least make it like the picture, at least a little smaller. This man was adding fucking kilos and tons of gold in like the middle of the finger. It was more than the pink part. I was like, I'm about to turn off the camera, so I'm gonna get really tight and I'm gonna get really mad. But yeah, this is how my nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think. I don't really think it's that bad. Like, I expected a little bit. I think I expected around this type of quality, actually. I'm not actually surprised. I'm not happy, but I'm not sad. I'm just very normal. So let me know what you guys think down below. I only paid about $60 for this, which isn't bad because all the gold flakes, the French design that he did, I was gonna leave it by itself, but I don't like how it looked like with just the French tip. But let me know what you guys think about it down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll probably be back in another 2 weeks with my new nails. You did. See you guys in the next video.